Hi, I'm Mike with Family Handyman. Now, garage storage isn't a one-size-fits-all project, and we at Family Handyman have compiled a ton of different project ideas throughout the years. I'm going to show you a few of those brilliant ideas that we've come up with. Now, storage shelves in your garage is one of those things that you cannot have enough of. Now, you could go ahead and build your own shelves, but you don't have to go that far. There are plenty of commercially available options that are really inexpensive and easy to install. You could go from having no shelves to a whole wall with lots of storage in the morning. I love my storage bins, but the problem is they always get shoved up against the wall and stacked on top of each other. Then the one that you need is always at the bottom. I love this idea of a storage tower, one that the bins slide into, making every bin in your stack really easy to access. Now, the garage wall is another really great place that you can add storage. Hooks, brackets, and other storage hardware is really easy to screw right to the studs. But if you do that, you're limiting your space. Instead, hang a piece of plywood up there so that you can put those things wherever you want along the wall. That way, you can increase the amount of space that you can put those storage hooks on. Now, we're all aware of the plywood trick on top of the joist for extra storage, but here's another really great project. It involves 2x2s across and 1x4s to create a really simple sliding drawer to keep our bins above instead of on the ground in the corner. Flexible wall storage systems are really great. They solve a few problems. First, they keep that narrow space between your car and your wall easy to walk through, and they allow you to shift things around as your storage needs change. So for an even bigger list of garage storage solutions and more home improvement ideas, head to FamilyHandyman.com.